In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up my Google Calendar. First, open your web browser and head to Google Calendar. If you're on the Google homepage, look to the top right and click the Google Apps grid icon. From the menu, choose Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use so your settings apply to the right calendar. Once Calendar opens, click the gear icon in the top right and select Settings. We'll start by locking in your time zone so events land at the correct time. In the left sidebar, open the time zone section. Click Time Zone, then choose your correct location. Use the drop-down to select your country, then the city or region that matches where you are. If your country has multiple time zones, pick the one closest to your location. If you travel often, choose the location you're in most of the time. You can always change this later. Next, let's adjust how your calendar looks by default. Still in Settings, Open View Options. Here you can choose what Google Calendar shows first when it loads. Pick the view that fits your workflow. Week for a balanced look at meetings and focus time. Month for a high-level overview. Date for detailed scheduling. Schedule for a clean list of what's coming. Or year for planning at a glance. You can switch views anytime in the main calendar, but setting a default saves clicks. While you're in View Options, set the day your week starts on. Find Start Week On, then choose Monday or Sunday based on your regional preference or team norms. Consistency here helps avoid confusion when comparing schedules. Now let's make sure you get alerted before events. Go back to the main settings list and open notification settings. Choose desktop notifications so reminders appear even if calendar isn't in the foreground. Your browser may ask for permission the first time. Allow notifications so alerts can show. If you use Do Not Disturb on your computer, remember that system settings can silence calendar notifications, so check that if you don't see alerts. That's it for the core setup. You've opened Calendar, set your time zone and location, chosen a default view, decided when your week begins, and enabled desktop notifications. These small choices make a big difference in staying organized and on time. When you're ready, return to your calendar and start adding events with confidence, knowing everything is aligned to your preferences.